The Australian share market is up by 0.3%, with the energy sector outperforming on the back of some positive quarterly production numbers. We've also seen job numbers out locally for the month of December, and the numbers did come ahead of market expectations. The unemployment rate dropping to 5% from 5.1% previously, and the number of jobs being created at 21,600 jobs. We saw 24,600 part-time jobs, while full-time jobs decreased by 3,000. But a strong jobs number helping the performance of the Australian share market today. Meanwhile, in the banking space, we've seen NAB succumbing to the higher funding pressures and increasing its variable rate. It's increased its variable rate by 16 basis points on investor loans and by 12 basis points on owner-occupied principal and interest loans. We've also seen some quarterly numbers coming through from the commodity-based resource sector. We have seen a good performance by Oz Minerals, which is up by 4%. 2018 copper output coming in at the upper end of guidance, and gold output exceeding guidance. That means that for 2019, Oz Minerals has lifted its expectations for production from its gold assets. We're also seeing a good day for Santos. It's up by 3.7% on the back of a strong quarterly production report. We saw output up 6% quarter on quarter. Santos also increasing its expectations for 2019, expecting to see output between 71 to 81 million barrels of oil equivalent. That compares to 2018, where it saw 58.9 million barrels of oil equivalent being produced. Having a look at some negative impacts, we're seeing Evolution Mining down by 4%. The gold subsector altogether is looking pretty weak today, but Evolution also coming out with its quarterly numbers. Evolution confirming its FY19 output guidance, but saying that its all-in sustaining cost should be at the upper end of its guidance, the guidance at between 850 to 900 Australian an ounce. For the quarter, all-in sustaining costs coming in at 973 Australian per ounce, which is higher than the year-to-date all-in sustaining cost, which was at 928 Australian an ounce. We've also seen numbers coming through from Galaxy. The shares trading down 6%. Second quarter output in terms of sputamine concentrate coming in at around about 34,000 tonnes. Meanwhile, we have seen the cash margin at $288 US per tonne. So all in all, a good day for the Australian share market, a rise of 0.3%, keeping one eye on those quarterly numbers coming through from the resource space, as well as those banking stocks, with NAB the latest to raise its interest rates on mortgage products.